Good morning everyone. Today we have to start the question, that is question number 2, page number 55. From the following trial balance of Messrs. Mitesh and Mangesh, you are required to prepare trading profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on date. So here first what we have to do here, we have to mark the adjustment. See, Mitesh and Mangesh are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. 3:1 they are sharing profits and losses. Then partners are entitled to get commission at the rate 1% on gross profit. मतलब gross profit के ऊपर adjustment है. Then third adjustment, closing stock, we have to solve afterwards. Then adjustment number 4, outstanding expenses, audit fees and carriage. So in trial balance we have to mark here audit fees, adjustment number 4, and carriage adjustment number 4 here. Adjustment number 4. Then adjustment number 5, building is valued at rupees 46,500. So building adjustment number 5. Mark trial balance. Then adjustment number 6, furniture is depreciated by 5%. So in trial balance, furniture adjustment number here 6. Then provide interest on partners capital at the rate 2.5% per annum. So here interest on capital, so we have to mark here adjustment number 7. Then goods of rupees 900 were taken by Mangesh for his personal use. So personal use means drawing. So mark here adjustment number 7. Then write off rupees 1000 as bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on sundry debtors. Means bad debts adjustment number 9 and bad debts effect on sundry debtors. So sundry debtors adjustment number 9. Now here in that trial balance current account is given, and this is what fixed capital method. So in that fixed capital method, here capital amount is fixed and we have to open here current account. So here partners current account is there. Now we have to start here in the books of Mitesh and Mangesh trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So here debit side of trading account and credit side of trading and profit and loss account, and here balance sheet as on 31st March 2019, as well as we are preparing here partners current account. Now one by one we have to mark here. So first we have to write here opening stock, then two purchases, then credit side of trading account buy sales, and liability side, balance sheet liability side capital accounts is there. Now one by one we have to make here tick is there. So we have to start opening stock. Opening stock recorded here trading account debit side 25,000. Then next point, building is there. So building is a asset recorded balance sheet asset side. So building 48,500. Immediately we have to solve the adjustment. See adjustment number 5. Adjustment number 5 what given? Building is valued at rupees 46,500. मतलब बिल्डिंग का वैल्यू कितना है? 46,500 है. So write here 46,500. So वैल्यू बिल्डिंग का वैल्यू कम हो गया. So क्या लिखेंगे? लेस डेप्रिसिएशन. कितना वैल्यू कम हो गया? 48,500 से 46,500 माइनस करेंगे तो रिमेनिंग वैल्यू 2000 से कम हो गया. दिस इज व्हाट डिक्रीज in the value of building 2000. So immediately we have to record that depreciation amount here, profit and loss debit side, because this is a loss, to depreciation on building 2000. So here adjustment number 5 is completed. Okay, then come to the next. Debit side ही पहले complete करेंगे. Carriage recorded here. Profit and loss, debit, trading account, debit side, trading, carriage to carriage 1780. Now see the adjustment here, that is adjustment number. Here we are writing adjustment number 4. So see the 4 adjustment number 5 is completed. Outstanding expenses, audit fees rupees 400 and carriage rupees 600. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग दैट इज व्हाट अनपेड, मतलब हमें पेड करना है तो एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ गया. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग मीन्स एड आउटस्टैंडिंग कैरेज. कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट है 600. सो 600 ऐड हो गया. सो आउटर कॉलम 2380. Another effect, balance sheet liability side, here we are writing outstanding expenses, carriage 600 inner column, and another is what audit fees is given. Immediately we have to solve that audit fees also. So carriage completed, then audit fees recorded here. Profit and loss debit side, audit fees, that is what chartered accountant fees, this is indirect expenses, so recorded here. So again what outstanding means unpaid, so add outstanding audit fees. कितना दिया है outstanding audit fees 400. So add here. So amount is 2200 outer column, and another effect, balance sheet liability side here, audit fees 400 outer column 1000. So adjustment number here 4 is completed. Adjustment number 4 completed, tick mark is there. Then come to the next, that is what factory insurance. See, factory insurance, this is recorded trading account debit side, because factory word is there, that is what before production 2700 trading account. Then postage is indirect expenses recorded profit and loss account to postage debit side 1600. After that bills receivable, one by one you have to make tick here. Bills receivable, this is what asset, recorded asset, balance sheet asset side, bill receivable 13,700. Then sundry debtors, this is also asset, recorded balance sheet asset side, sundry debtors, adjustment is there 52,200. Here we are writing adjustment number 9. See that adjustment, write off rupees 1000 as bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on sundry debtors. So bad debts, this is what loss, वो लॉस इतना पैसा मिलने वाला नहीं है. सो डेटर्स से क्या होगा, लेस हियर न्यू बैड डेब्ट्स. न्यू बैड डेब्ट्स कितना दिया है 1000. सो लेस 1000. इनर कॉलम में ही अमाउंट लिखेंगे क्योंकि अदर एडजस्टमेंट इज देयर, दैट इज व्हाट मेंटेन आरडीडी एट 3% ऑन सन्ड्री डेटर्स. सो आरडीडी 3%, ये रिमेनिंग अमाउंट के ऊपर आएगा. आरडीडी दैट इज व्हाट रिजर्व फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स. So here keeping reserve, that again less new RDD, 3% on 51,200. तो 3% 51,200 में कितना आता है 1536 लेस 1536 आउटर कॉलम में अमाउंट आती है दैट इज 49,664. अभी ये दोनों का सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे आएगा, बैड डेब्ट्स दिस इज अ लॉस, सो रिकॉर्डेड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेबिट साइड. अभी यहाँ पे ट्रायल बैलेंस में बैड डेब्ट्स नहीं दिया है, सो वी हैव टू मेंटेन रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ दैट इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेबिट साइड. हियर टू बैड डेब्ट्स, न्यू बैड डेब्ट्स बोलेंगे, न्यू बैड डेब्ट्स. कितना है न्यू बैड डेब्ट्स 1000. इसमें ऐड होगा, ऐड बिकॉज लॉस में लॉस ऐड होता है, न्यू आरडीडी न्यू रिजर्व फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट्स, सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ऐड होगा. डेटर्स से लेस एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ऐड, मतलब डेटर्स कम हो गए अमाउंट एंड लॉस बढ़ गया, सो इसको बोलेंगे न्यू आरडीडी. कितना हो गया न्यू आरडीडी 1536 आउटर कॉलम 2536. So here adjustment number, this one is also completed, adjustment number 9, so tick there, adjustment number 9 here, tick mark. Then another one is, that is return inward, that is what, sales return, profit trading account credit side में less from sales से 1600. उसके बाद purchases है trading account debit side to purchases 68,900. after that audit fees हो गया. then loose tools, this is what, asset, so recorded balance sheet asset side here loose tools 32,000. then come to the another manufacturing expenses trial balance में. manufacturing expenses this is what, direct expenses, so before production, so that is recorded trading account debit side to manufacturing expenses 1820. then electricity charges recorded profit and loss debit side to electricity charges 2600. then next to general expenses, this is also profit and loss, general expenses 3400. then export duty profit and loss debit side 1000. after that cash in hand and bank balance, this is what, दोनों asset है, so recorded balance sheet asset side cash in hand 75,000 and bank balance rupees 29,000. after that conveyance, this is indirect expenses, recorded profit and loss account to conveyance 4,100. after that furniture, next one is what, furniture, this is what, asset, recorded balance sheet asset side here balance sheet 64,000. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने मार्क किया एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 6. नाउ रीड दैट एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 6, दैट इज फर्नीचर इज डेप्रिसिएटेड बाय 5%. डेप्रिसिएशन मीन्स रिडक्शन इन द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्नीचर, तो क्या होगा, लेस डेप्रिसिएशन 5% ऑन 64,000. सो कितना हो जाएगा 5%, 10% 6,400, 5% 3,200 and outer column amount is 60,800. then second effect, profit and loss debit side here, furniture amount is 3,200, so total दोनों का 5,200 outer column. So this adjustment is also completed, adjustment number 6. after that salaries recorded profit and loss debit side here, 2 salaries 2,000. then rent, rates and taxes, this is also indirect expenses, recorded profit and loss debit side to rent, rates and taxes 3,700. and after that drawing, यहाँ पे हम लोग ने पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट सेपरेट ओपन किया है बिकॉज दिस इज फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड. सो हियर ड्राइंग पार्टनर्स के डेबिट में 1200 मितेश column and Mangesh column 2200. So here debit side is completed. Now we have to start credit side of. Now see the credit side of trial balance. First what given? Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, this is liability. Recorded balance sheet liability side 38,000. After that sales 1,75,000. This is recorded here. Trading account credit side by sales 1,75,000. Then less return inward, that is sales return. Then write amount in outer column, that is 1,73,400. Then next capital we have to write full amount in the balance sheet liability side because this is fixed capital method. Capital account Mitesh 1,50,000, Mangesh 50,000. Amount outer column 2 lakh. Then outstanding salaries rupees 2,000. So this is what liability. Recorded outstanding salaries 2,000. After that bills payable, this is also liability. Recorded balance sheet liability side 18,000. Then return outward, this is what? Purchase return. Recorded profit and loss trading account debit side less from purchases, that is return outward 1,800. This is called as a purchase return also. Outer column 67,100. Then current account is given. So here we are opening already partners current account because this is fixed capital method. So credit balances is there. By balance brought down Mitesh 3,000 and Mangesh 2,000. So here credit side is also completed. Now we have to see the adjustment number 7. What is that adjustment number 7? That provide interest on partners capital at 2.5% per annum. So here पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के ऊपर हम लोग 2.5% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्रिएट करेंगे. सी हियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 2.5% पर एनम मितेश के कैपिटल अमाउंट के ऊपर निकालेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 1,50,000 इंटू 2.5 अपॉन 100, दैट इज 3,750. एंड मंगेश 1,250 50,000 के ऊपर निकाला. सो दिस इज व्हाट? This is income to partners. So it is recorded partners current account credit side by interest on capital account for Mitesh 3,750 and Mangesh 1,250. Then second effect here, profit and loss, because this is expenses to business. Interest on capital 3,750 and 1,250 Mangesh. Outer column 5,000 because this is expenses to business. So adjustment number 7 is also completed. Then see which adjustments are remain. Here third adjustment, the closing stock is valued at rupees 23,700. जैसे एडजस्टमेंट होता है वैसे टिक करना है. सो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक फर्स्ट इफेक्ट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड, दैट अमाउंट इज 23,700. एंड अनदर इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड 23,700. सो एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3 also completed. Then another which adjustment remain, that is adjustment number 8. Goods of rupees 900 were taken by Mangesh for his personal use. So personal use means drawing. So first effect here, partners current account to drawings account. किसने लिया है? Goods मंगेश ने लिया है 900. So मंगेश column 900. And another effect, that is trading account credit side because goods goes out, goods taken by Mangesh rupees 900. So this adjustment is also completed. Then another adjustment, all adjustments are over here. See the second adjustment, partners are entitled to get commission at the rate 1% on gross profit. तो हमें क्या करना है, पहले अभी सब एडजस्टमेंट हो गया. नाउ वी हैव टू डू द टोटल. सी हियर ट्रेडिंग कौन सा साइड ज़्यादा है वो देखना है. ट्रेडिंग का दैट क्रेडिट साइड इज मोर. सो क्रेडिट का टोटल आता है 1,98,000. देन ट्रेडिंग का डेबिट टोटल करेंगे. सो ट्रेडिंग का डेबिट टोटल हियर आ रहा है. ट्रेडिंग का डेबिट टोटल 99,000. So credit total minus debit total, this is called as a gross profit. So gross profit आ रहा है 99,000. So here we have to write to gross profit carried down, transfer to profit and loss account, 99,000. That gross profit we have to transfer to profit and loss account credit side, that is 99,000. Now see that adjustment, one adjustment here, that partners are entitled to get commission at the rate 1% on gross profit. मतलब पार्टनर्स को कमीशन मिलेगा किसके ऊपर, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट के ऊपर. सो दिस इज द एडजस्टमेंट हियर, दैट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 99,000 आया है. तो 1% कमीशन फॉर मितेश 990 एंड फॉर मंगेश 990. कमीशन दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज income to partners. So recorded credit side 990 both the partners, and this is what income to partners, again expenses to business. So here recorded profit and loss debit side Mitesh 990 and Mangesh 990. So this is also completed here. Then we have to do the total here, that is 1980. Okay, now again here we have to do the total of that. So here now we have to do the total of what, profit and loss account, that is credit side is 99,000. Now all adjustment are over, only one is remain, that is Mitesh and Mangesh sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So what here we have to do the profit and loss total, that profit and loss total credit total 99,000 minus debit total 35,316. So balancing is 63,684. That net profit divided into their ratio, that is 3:1. So 63,684 into 3/4. So Mitesh का आता है 47,763 and Mangesh का 15,921. This net profit we have to transfer to where, partners current account. So partners current account here by profit and loss account. So here we have to write amount Mitesh 47,763 and Mangesh 15,921. So here also all adjustment are over. Now do the total. Partners current account credit side total, that Mitesh 56,013 and Mangesh 40,161. Credit total is more, means credit balances are there. So here we have to write first 56,013 and 20,161. मितेश का 1,200 माइनस करेंगे 56,013 से, तो बैलेंस आता है हियर, बैलेंस इज देयर, दैट इज that balance is here 54,313. ओके, देन मंगेश का आता है 17,061. ये दो 3,100 20,161 से माइनस करेंगे तो ये बैलेंसिंग आता है. दिस बैलेंसिंग फिगर ट्रांसफर टू बैलेंस शीट liability side because credit balances are there. For Mitesh 54,313 and Mangesh 17,061. Then outer column total amount is there, that is 71,364. Here all adjustment are completed. Now do the total बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी साइड टोटल दो अमाउंट लेके करेंगे टोटल. सो लाइबिलिटी का टोटल आता है 3,30,364. सेम वे एसेट का भी टोटल आता है 3,30,364. सो हियर कंप्लीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन.